issue is related to the custom fields task type custom fields. While accessing these custom fields from the customer portal, so this is the task type. The name of the task type is billing inquiry, and in the custom fields I added few custom fields as a required, and one custom field is non-mandatory. And I have created one task here on tenant portal and provided all the fields required and not required. Both the fields I have provided. Now I am accessing this task from the tenant portal, and all these fields are editable on this customer portal. So contact should be able to edit this. Now if I go and check this task and try to update something, I always get this message: required fields are not provided, whereas all the required fields are provided. All the fields have information, and this message is always displayed, and user cannot update or add any information over here. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.